Good morning, Tanya, for the 19th day, Yutes Tevis, the 19th day of Tevis. We're going to begin now, Perek Yud Beis, chapter 12. In the previous Prakim, the Alter Rebbe defined the term tzaddik and rasha. Tzaddik, he explained, is a person who has good qualities and his nefesh alikis vanquishes the evil qualities of the animal soul to the extent that it completely eradicates them. The rasha, on the other hand, is one whose evil qualities of the nefesh habahamis, that animal soul, overcomes the good of his divine soul and causing him to actually sin in machshava, dibur, ma'aser, thought, speech, and action. The Alter Rebbe now in the 12th chapter, which the Perek starts with Habenini, the intermediate man, we're going to explain is not a tzaddik and not a rasha. The Alter Rebbe is going to explain that the Beinini is a person whose practical machshava, dibur, and ma'aser is dictated solely by the nefesh alikis. It always has the upper hand on the nefesh habahamis. So the Alter Rebbe is going to go barichas now and explain, so if the Beinini is never controlled and never sins, so why is he not the level of a tzaddik? So now we're going to explain today. So Alter Rebbe says like this: the Beinini and the in-betweener, the intermediate, the one who's not a tzaddik and not a rasha, the Beinini, the in-betweener, who shel olam ein hara goiver kolkach. The Beinini is a person whose evil never gains enough momentum. Who shel olam ein hara goiver kolkach. The evil never overpowers so strong. To conquer the small city, to influence the body to sin. The hainu, what does that mean? The three garments of the animal soul, which are machshava, dibur, ma'aser, shemitzad klipa. As we explained, the nefesh alikis has three garments, which it's expressed the 10 faculties of a person. So the animal soul also has three garments, which are machshava, dibur, ma'aser, which express the 10 faculties. So at the end of the day, ein goivrim bay al nefesh alikis. It never overcomes the divine soul within him. Lislabish beguf, bameach, ubapeh, ubeshar machivarim. So to become enclosed, dressed in the body, the brain, the mouth, and the other parts of the body. La'achtiam ulatamam, causing them to sin and to be defiled. Chas v'shalom, God forbid. Rak shloisha levushi nefesh alikis heim levadam mislabshim beguf. So only the three garments of the divine soul alone influence the body. Shei machshava, dibur, ma'aser, shetayag mitzvahs atera, which are the thought, speech, and action of the 630 mitzvahs of Torah. So basically, when it comes to the garments, when it comes to the actual levushim, it's mamish identical. The Beinini and the tzaddik are identical. Now, once a person reaches the level of a Beinini, it's as if he had never committed any aver at all. And the way he is now, he will never transgress in the future. So he'll never be called for a moment of rasha, a single second of his life, and he will never involve himself in activity that will cause him to be categorized as a rasha. For example, in Perek Aleph, we learned that even if a person himself does not sin, but could have prevented someone else from sinning and failed to do so, he's classified as a rasha. So this Beinini, he avoids all this type of activity. And that's why we're going to learn soon, that's why in Perek Aleph, the Alter Rebbe brought down that a Beinini, like a tzaddik, never actually commits a sin. And this is why Rabbah, who was a tzaddik, was able to misidentify himself as a Beinini.